Sabaydi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Last Kitchen. And my grandson, he said he wanna do Larb Kai with me, okay? It's chicken salad, you know, and his favorite is soup also. So he said, well, I'm gonna help and, you know, do the chicken salad or Larb Kai with my grandma.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You wanna go ahead and introduce the ingredient, what we have?
Okay, so we have fresh organic chicken right here that we need so then the soup could taste better.
Yes.
We have chicken liver, and then we have chicken gizzard. We also have cilantro, lime, mint leaf, and galangal.
And we also use kaffir lime leaf and chili pepper and flower blossom. And this is spring onion. It's a long day. Spring onion. Okay. And then the seasoning that we have the chili powder, and this is rice powder and chicken flavor, fish salt, and pa-dek. Okay. All right. That's all we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cut my vegetable first. Right? And then you let me handle the chicken part, okay? It's not easy. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lamb first, okay? And you know, whatever I have left over here, and then you're gonna squeeze this into the water, okay? So because the flower blossom, if you don't soak in the, you know, lamb water, it's gonna turn really dark, okay? So go ahead, squeeze that for me.
Okay.
That's a good thing when you have a helper, you know. You don't have to do all the work by yourself. And my grandson, he don't mind at all. I mean, he have a very long day, all day school and taking karate class and all that. And he have very good self-discipline. And also helping grandma in the kitchen. Just use this one. And this one right here, I'm gonna save for the salad, okay?
Okay.
You can use this one too. I know it's lots of juice.
Luckily, it didn't get in my eye.
Yeah, don't get your eye. It's no fun. I did that before.
You did?
Oh yeah. Anytime.
Did your eyes burn?
Oh, my eye is so clear afterward. Just kidding. Don't try that. It's no fun.
Okay.
Okay. See? Okay, see how we cut like that? And then we want to go ahead and put in the water, please.
Okay.
In your lamb water that you prepare. When they get in the water, you can kind of mix it up so they don't have to stay together. You can mix it up.
Okay.
Separate them too, you know? That pepper color look good, right, Tristan? You smell that, Tristan?
Smells good to me.
It's good aroma, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, see? That one too big. We go ahead and put that away. Okay, this is a young galangal. You know, see how it's soft? When I press my finger, it's go through. You know, sometimes it's so hot like a wood. You don't want that. You want the young one, okay?
Okay.
The young root. See, when I cut the galangal, you know, if you want to, you can cut it small. But I like to eat all the herbs, so I leave mine like, you know, slice like this, okay? Basically, it's kind of like julienne, you know? So like this, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Just like that. This is cilantro. Do you like cilantro? You can eat fresh, you can put... Okay, ผักแพรวอันนี้นะลาบไก่กับผักแพรวมันเข้า Yeah, when I do my meat, I don't like to cut small. I like it like big like that, okay? Just cut enough to get that aroma out. Okay, so I want it kind of like different texture. All right, look like we got everything cut and chop, right? Oh, my hand. Safe. Okay, so we have the organic chicken here. What we do, we're gonna go ahead get the skin out first, okay? Get skin. I don't need the skin to put in the chicken salad. Nothing waste in our house, right? It's food. Okay, I have the inside grill here. Gonna cook my chicken. Okay. If you do some barbecue, you can grill outside, but this is indoor. So, Tristan, you wanna go ahead put the stuff in there, like the stalk, handfull leaf, and everything.
Yeah.
Everything in there, please. The chicken bone. I just weigh a little bit. Wow, that looks perfect. Okay, see, the chicken is about to be cooked, but the inside almost cooked. I go ahead turn off the heat, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. Turn it off. Okay, this is perfect right now. You don't want it all cooked, okay? Water nice and hot. And then I'm gonna go ahead put the chicken bone, in a pot, okay? This is kind of like make your own soup too, Boil the skin and all this stuff, okay? Okay, just press it down and let it cook. Okay, see the flower blossom here? I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water out, okay? Get the water out. Okay, see, you want it to be like good texture, okay? I don't want to chop too much, like I don't want to use the machine either. When you chop like this, you have more control, okay? Get better taste like that, okay? Then I'm gonna put in here in the bowl. Then I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lamb. I squeeze the lamb 3 or 4 first. What I do, I soak the meat, with the lamb for a little bit while I do the other stuff, okay? So mix well. I mean, some people like to squeeze them. You can if you want to. That way they get more better taste, taste better. Okay. Just like that. Now you wanna leave that. See, the liver and the gizzard is already cooked, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead slide them, make it small. This is completely cooked. See what I have here? I have a chicken that I soaked with the lamb for here. Put in there. Add it on, and then the liver, and put everything in here, okay? Just like that. Put the fish sauce, chicken flavor, and pa-dek. Then go ahead, put these 2 in, kaffir leaf and chili pepper. Now go ahead, mix them together first. just mix a little bit. I don't squeeze them, okay? ข้าวคั่วsmell good. And then I put chili pepper. Chili pepper, I'm gonna put like half first, okay? Because I put fresh pepper. So if I need more, I always can add more. Smell good. Then you put galangal in. Just smell wonderful, Tristan.
Yeah, my nose is stuffed.
He said he got stuffing nose, probably from my pepper, but that's okay. He's so cute. Does that look good? สีมันงามบอสีงามบองามเลยเนาะวันนี้เอาบักปีใส่ Sorry. Okay, see, I put a banana blossom. Does that look good or what? Now I put more lamb. And Tristan, you wanna hand me some spoon? I wanna taste what they taste like. But they sure look good right now.
There you go.
Awesome. That's great. You wanna taste?
Sure.
Okay. Just a little bit. He never have it. It's his first time. He might need water. How about this bite? He passed. He said, I can help myself.
That tastes good.
Stop live. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna put the last of the mint in. Sap. ไก่แล้ว
Huh? A what?
We made it. Larb Kai is finished. It's chicken salad. It's finished. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, Tristan, our dinner is finished. Let's eat, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's your favorite soup, and I eat with my chicken salad. Okay? ลาบไก่เป็นตะแซ่บป่ะแต่ว่าต้องกินข้าวเจ้า มันดึกแล้วนะนี่ กินใส่ข้าวเจ้าก็แซ่บกัน
I've been waiting for this.
ครับ น้อยกินข้าวน้ำหอมแซ่บให้น้องมือแล้วมีผักนอกอีกแซ่บเลย
Can I try?
เอาดูนะคะกันเนาะ What do you think? That's pretty good. กินกับลาบมันกลิ่นเผ็ดๆไม่เป็นแซ่บเทิงจ่อย มันชอบวัดpepper ชอบ
You don't need water after that?
We might have to call 911 call firefighter come over so my grandma had more on fire
That's that spicy.
ครับอันนี้ไม่ขิงกระหล่ำก็ That's good too กินใส่มันมีแห้งเข้าครับ The soup is good. He liked the chicken, but today is too hot, so he cannot handle that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next time, huh?
Yeah.
Không sao bà.
That's good.
It's good. That is so good, guys. And try to cook that at home, okay? It's very easy, very simple. It's very healthy also, okay? And try to use the organic chicken. That give more flavor, okay? And I thank you so much for watching my video and follow me. And I'm gonna have many video come. Don't change the channel. Gigi Loves Kitchen gonna have good stuff coming up, okay? Subscribe if you're not, okay? See you next time. Bye bye. ลาก่อน กินข้าวโลด No problem.